Okay, I'm making this video as a reminder for like all parents with kids, even just every household, to get one of these like choking devices. I was talking with my friend the other day and we were talking about how we both have been just meaning to buy one of these, meaning to buy it for like, you know, a while and stuff, and just like never got around to doing it. Don't keep pushing it aside and just buy it right now. Just exit out of this video and just go and buy it. Don't regret it. Like, you're gonna regret it if you don't buy it. So just go and buy it like right now. But also, put it together. Cause literally I've had this for like a month now and I'm like, Tasia, what use is this gonna be if like the situation happens and I have to like fumble through all of this to like kind of get it ready to use? So not only is this a reminder to go and buy it right now, but also put it together, because you never know when the situation is gonna happen where you're gonna need this and you might as well be ready. I'm gonna put it together really quick, and I don't even know if there's really much to put together. I don't really know, but I'm just gonna open it. I haven't even opened this and I've had it for like a month or two. So let's open it. Move the camera back a little bit so you can see a little bit more. Let's see. Like, it's even taped shut. So, okay, so it comes in this little bag. And literally I got this off of Amazon. Like, I'm not, I don't know, getting paid or whatever shiz for this. Like, I just feel like, I don't know, safe than sorry. Better safe than sorry. Okay, so it comes with like 3 different masks. So like a baby one, which is like, that is adorable. Hopefully you never have to use it, but adorable. And then obviously like a medium size and then like a bigger one. And then it comes with like that plunger. It does have the instructions and stuff. But seriously, can you imagine if you were going to use this and you had to do all this and take off all the wrappers, and also like, not that you'd probably go through the instructions, you probably would just literally attach it and plunge it, and that's literally pretty much what you do. You just make sure it's all. But I have a 9-month-old right now that he's like, you know, putting every object or food or whatever in his mouth. So like, I'm just gonna put the baby one on because you don't know what they're putting in their mouth sometimes. Even if you like watch them every single second of every single day, that 1 second can freaking change everything. Okay, that was literally easy. You saw me do that. And then you just slap it on their face and hold it, freaking plunge that, oh shit, don't take that off. But you plunge that shiz out. That's cool. Cool. Anyway, this is just a reminder. Buy this, set it up. That is all. Thank you.